Hey guys, Erin Smith here, and I want to show you how to do a post in your WordPress back office. So what you do is go to your URL, whoiseronsmith.com's mine, /wp-admin, and then click enter. And that will take you to your login site to get into your dashboard. And so let's log in here. And so this is your main nerve center for your blog. This is where everything's going to happen. So I know there's a lot back here. You're kind of like, whoa, where do I do this? And so since we're doing posts today, go over here to the left. It says posts, and you can click on posts to look at your previous ones. You can click on add new, and I don't use these other two, these categories and post tags, but to add a new one, you click on add new. I'm going to show you one that I've already done already. So just click on that. This is one that I did today. Okay, so first thing you need to do is type in your title, which is Generate Sales with Controlled Conversations. And then here, the permalink is whoiseronsmith.com /generate sales, blah, blah, blah. So that is the link that's going to show up when you click on that actual, when you go to that link, that's where it's going to take you directly to this actual post, not just the home page. And in here, I already typed it up, as you can see, and I bolded some things. Spacing and bolding I really like to do because it helps the reader focus on your main points that you're talking about in your blog. And then say you get this image, all I need to do is click here, upload, insert image, and then it says add an image, add video, add music, and add media. I never use these other three really. I just go to the add picture. And this is good because when you post it on Facebook or something, when you post that permalink that I showed you, it will come up with this picture. And so then you can just click through and go to the picture that you want to show, and it makes your blog post stand out more than the other ones that are on there. And so here you can choose to upload from your computer. You can use a URL from a different one. The media library is pictures that you've already put up. So I don't even remember where that one is, but connect, here it is. So you click on open, then it loads it up for you, and once it loads, it will show you where you can align it, whether you want it left, right, or center. And then if you want to fill this out, you can. I usually don't. And then this right here, Who's Aaron Smith uploads, that's your URL to the actual picture itself. And so if you want to use it somewhere else, like if you want to create a web form with this picture, this is where you can put it in. So that's your alignment, and then this is your size. You can click on whatever size you want. It's not really showing it right now, but and you just click on insert into post and then save, or after you click on insert into post, it will just show it. So since I already have it in there, I'm not going to put insert into post. And then I have my OnlyWire plugin. Oh wait, let me tell you about the more button. Okay, so when you make this huge long post, well, it's not really long, 642 words, make sure that you put in a more button. And the reason is because, so let's take a look on here. You go home, this is where all your posts are going to show up. And so if I didn't have more button, it would show the entire thing on my homepage button. And not only does it bring your blog rank down, but it just doesn't look very good. So to do your more button, you just click on where you want to add your more, and you click on this thing right here, insert more tag, and that's all you do. And then over here you have your categories, and you can click on add new category if you want to do a different category, like mine's marketing tips. And post tags, this is where you're trying to rank for your posts on the search engines. This is where you can put your keywords in. And index and follow, this is another plugin that I have that helps the search engines find my stuff. It's called Robots and Meta. So if you have that, I would definitely click on index follow. And then the trackbacks and custom fields, I don't really do that. For discussion, of course, you want to allow comments and allow trackbacks. And these are trackbacks and comments I already have on this thing. You're the author. WP Greetbox, that's another plugin that I have, and it's just automatic. Then this one's really cool, all-in-one SEO pack. This is important. So this is where you put your title, and this is where you put your description for your blog post title. And like when I say description, this is what I'm talking about. Like when you type in something and it comes up with this little description here, MySpace music profile from Aaron Smith, blah blah blah. That's your description, and that's what's going to show up when you type in this. And then of course your keywords. So after you fill all that in, you're done with your post and you need to publish it. So your status tells you what's happened, if it's a draft or if it's a publish or whatnot. And then visibility, can be either public or private. And so you definitely want it public, because if it's private, you can only see it, or people that you send directly to the link. And then it tells me when it was published. And so here, for a new one, it will say publish, and then it will give you a publish date on there. And let's say if you went back and changed it, then you click on update. And let's say if you hate it, then you click on move to trash. Now, preview changes, you can click on that before you publish it to take a look at it and see if you like it. Oh, one thing I didn't mention, this is visual. This is where you want to do most of your stuff, but let's say if you have a video you want to add in and you have the embed code. Well, with the embed code, you have to put it in when you have an HTML showed up. So you can't do it in the visual, you have to do it in HTML, so you just copy and paste it and put it in wherever you want your video to be in. So that's just another little tip. So click on publish, and then this is what it comes up with. This is my home page. And so then people can go here, click on it, and it will take them to the whole entire post. And there it is. And then this is another plugin I have. This is related posts, I believe it's called. And this is just keeps people on your page longer. And this is your comment. And I like to be interactive with my stuff, and so you can have a reply thing on here. I forget what the thing is called, what the plugin's called. It's a plugin, and you click on reply, and then other people can comment on other people's comments. Now this one right here, comment love, that one's kind of fun, because when somebody puts in their information, like Sherman did here, he puts his, this will take you back to his blog, and then this is his most recent blog post. This is what the comment love does. So it makes people want to comment on your blog more. And the more people comment on it, the more people are probably going to share it with these share buttons up here that I have for a plugin also. And the more buzz that you get, the more the search engines are going to be able to pay attention to you, and the higher that you're going to rank. So that's adding a post in a nutshell. So hope you enjoyed it, and get posting.